referee signals for the bell.
Chaos is right, Michael. These teams just could not wait to get their hands on each other.
Clothesline.
Good Lord.
So effective. And he gets the better of HBK.
Implanted by the DDT. Ooh. Strong kick. My goodness. Here's the tag. Up top. Rocket launcher. Putting up a united front as this match continues. Oh, and soon we could be seeing a submission here. Being contorted doesn't look good. It's cinched. Muscling his way out of the submission. Oh.
And he goes for the pin. A kick out, and you can see the frustration starting to build.
He's still in this.
Saw that one coming, took advantage. Oh, what a right!
Man, that's some attitude behind it.
I don't think Kane expected that kind of destruction to come his way. Cover! Raising the arm before one.
Don't know how he can't get more than a 1 count at this point.
Comes in off the tag.
Oh, the clothesline.
He skirts away, living to fight another day.
Uh-oh, captured. Oh, face buster by the Kane. DDT by the Undertaker. Oof.
That kick will stop me in your tracks.
Ooh. Man. Stiff kick. Oh, ooh, stinging kick. Boom. Triple H did his homework.
Punch lands. Reversal from the game.
Inverted atomic drop. Ooh. Looking for the suplex all the way up. Look at this power. Oh, no.
Into a chop block.
Vicious right forearm.
Blocked the effort and cut them off with a shot to the gut.
Oh,
what a knee lift. Boom, what impact.
Oh. Ooh. Bam.
That showed a complete lack of respect for your competition and for our sport. A nice shot by The Undertaker.
One of the best strikers in the business. Oh, look at this. So ruthless.
Oh, right on point. Able to reverse. Clothesline. And I don't think The Undertaker has quite found his opponent's weaknesses yet.
That's the cerebral assassin revealing the high in-ring IQ of his. A death lock is in. Uh-oh, this is not going to end well. Are we going to see a tap? Look at this, just unloading. And a stop to the gut, too.
He may not be aware of the count. He's got to get back in. And he gets delivered back into the ring. That was almost a count out. And here is Kane in off the tag.
There's the tag.
suplex.
Uh-oh. Crossface.
Tap out. Do it now. Live to fight another day. And rolls him off.
Oh, strong impact. And that was an efficient display of offense with that maneuver. The wherewithal to counter HBK. Running leg drop. Drops the leg. Oh! Oh, that buys some time.
Oof! Kick finds it.
He skirts around it. Clothesline. So effective. And what he's looking for here looks like a potential submission maneuver coming.
Looking to find an escape from the abdominal stretch.
Uh-oh, found it. Oh, catapulting down on the opponent. Tagging his partner in now.
Oh, man.
Kick to the gut. Oh, powered.
Oh, my gosh, what impact. Arms hooked by the game. Pedigree.
No way Kane is going to recover from that. For the win. 2 count. Near fall.
The ammo of Kane remains the same. You'll have to go through hell to keep the devil's favorite demon down.
And guys, Triple H is in a rare moment of confusion. The game thought he had enough to end this, but his instincts were wrong. Gets the tag. Oh, drop kick. The shoulders down. He got the shoulder up in time.
Not quite enough to put him away.
Oh. Triple H with a tag.
And of course, kendo sticks are always under the ring in the event of any rogue ninja attacks. Hooked by the game. Pedigree.
He's going for the pin. This could be it. Oh, cover. Oh, my God. Did you see that? Kick out at 1.
You gotta be kidding me. What just happened?
I don't know, but I think it just blew the roof off this arena.
You can tell Triple H thought this one was over. The game is completely enraged right now.
Yikes. Oh, my gosh.
This match's brutality starting to show on him.
Yeah, they've stuck it out through this match, but it wouldn't hurt to go for the tag soon here.
We are seeing the will to win from these men. Not an ounce of quit in them.
The struggle to gain power has switched hands multiple times. It's been a seesaw battle at times.
Missed timing with that springboard.
Tag with a punch.
Oh, man, Taker has that look, and Michaels better watch out. The Undertaker looking to finish this now. Rest in peace. Will that keep Michaels grounded?
Teammate makes the save.
Man, just in time.
Misses the target, and there was some force on that move. Great counter. Clothesline.
Oh, that'll leave a mark. Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
Oh, my goodness. Ow, right in the kisser. Didn't see it coming.
Oh, almost caught him.
Good night.
Sweet chin music.
That's good.
parade.
And guys, Michaels is stunned. HBK thought this one was over, but the match will continue. And listen to this place.
Punishing stretch.
Classic HBK, being the showman that he is. There's press and the piston-like right hands. Oh. There's press, hammering away. Tag is good. Up he goes. On the second row. Down to Otis. Into the cover. Shoulder up before the count started.
How at this point you don't even stay down long enough for a 1 count is beyond comprehension.
And a kick.
Catches a punch.
Undertaker is ready to collect another soul, gentlemen. Taker has him up. Here we go. Tombstone from the Undertaker. Taker just turned his lights out. What a fool. He had him dead to rights.
Clean tag for his partner.
Brutal boot.
Boom! He may get the 3 count right here.
I think so.
He kicks out at 2.
This is going to come down to who wants it more.
Running leg drop.
And he's already taken more hits up there than he should have to handle. Forearm club. And Triple H had that scouted.
Sequence of reversals there.
Kane, oh boy. Down with the chokeslam.
Is it enough to put Triple H away?
He kicked out at 2.
Call it veteran instinct. Call it being just that damn good. Triple H is still in this one with that kick out.
And the look on Kane remains stoic and menacing. He dug a grave for his opponent tonight, and he just came close to burying him in it. And now gets tossed into the ring.
Ouch. Oh, ouch.
Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back. Oof.
What an interception. Dragon screw.
Sequence of reversals here. Both superstars clearly studied game tape ahead of time. Doing whatever it takes. Punch connects.
Put into the corner now. Boom!
My God, enough!
This crowd is thunderous right now.
Who can blame them?
The Big Red Machine.
Chokeslam.
Thunderous. Kane delivering his own brand of hell.
On a win. Wow, he's going to celebrate all night long.
Here are your winners, the team of Kane and the Undertaker.
Kane leads the way en route to victory here tonight.
That was a great example of what a tag team can do when it's firing on all cylinders.